how to tie the harness bend. So in front of me are the two ropes that I want to join together using the harness bend. Let's get rid of the red one for now and we'll work with the yellow one, and all we're doing with the yellow one is bringing the working end around so it passes over itself at this point here and we form the letter P. Now that we've done that, we take our red one, and the red one is now going to pass down through that loop that we've created with the yellow one and come out. Just take enough through to actually tie the knot itself. And then the working end of the red one will pass over everything. So it's passing over everything. Then it passes underneath the yellow one at that point there. When it passes underneath the yellow point, it's then going to come up round again over the yellow, under the red one. So bring it over the yellow, under the red one, and then pull it through. Then start dressing it up nice and smartly. And there we have it, 1 in number, harness bend.